So here we have the genetic code. And the genetic code is very interesting because it is universal for all living things. So this is one item that actually supports the theory of a common ancestor because we all have the same genetic code. We all have the same nucleotides, we make the same RNA, and we all use the same genetic code. Because we all use the same genetic code, it also allows for genetic engineering, where genes from one organism can be taken and put into another organism because the same machinery is there and they'll be read in exactly the same way. The genetic code is also what we call redundant. This means that more than one codon codes for an amino acid. Okay, so look at this for a minute. So if we look at the amino acid leucine, there's actually 6 different codons that all code for the amino acid leucine. All right, so here's the codons. UUA codes for leucine, UUG codes for leucine, CUU codes for leucine, and so on and so on. On the other hand, the genetic code is what we say unambiguous. This means that one codon never codes for more than one amino acid. This is actually opposite of what the last one was, so it's not the same. So we would never have, for instance, CCU coding for either leucine or proline. It's always only codes for one amino acid. And then the other thing is that the genetic code contains start and stop codons. So there's one start codon and it's AUG, and this is always at the beginning of the gene that's being translated. And there are several stop codons that are always at the end. So UAA, UAG, and UGA. Okay, so there's the genetic code.